Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Natural Born Prepper. In this video, I will show you how to register and become a member on preppingcommunities.com, a platform I created for preppers and homesteaders to connect, prepare, and share information and resources with one another. Registration on Prepping Communities is quick, easy, and free. To go to preppingcommunities.com now, type in the URL www.preppingcommunities.com into any browser. This will bring you to the home page. From here, you'll be able to access all of the great features in preppingcommunities.com. To register and become a member now, click on the red link in the top right corner that says Join Now, Always Free. You will be taken to the Create New Account page. Fill in the registration form fields using the help guide on the right and click the Submit button below. It's that easy. You will receive an email asking you to confirm and activate your account. Click on the link in the email and you will be taken to the login screen where you will need to enter the user ID and password you used in the registration process. Click the login button and you'll be taken to your user profile. You have now successfully signed in to preppingcommunities.com. For more information on how to do other functions on preppingcommunities.com, go to the How To section under the Home menu item. There you will find instructions on how to perform all features and functions available on preppingcommunities.com. Thanks for watching everyone. Natural Born Prepper out.